Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Astragalus root tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 15 grams of dried Astragalus root slices, which are readily available. Make sure you have fresh, filtered water on hand. You'll also want a clean pot, a fine mesh strainer, and your favorite mug ready for a comforting brew. This preparation is straightforward and rewarding. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the astragalus root. Take your dried root slices and measure out approximately 10 to 15 grams. Next, give these slices a quick, gentle rinse under cool, running water. This simple step helps to remove any dust or surface impurities, ensuring your tea is clean and pure. It's a small but important detail for a perfect cup. With your root prepared, it's time to brew. Place the rinsed astragalus root into a pot with about 3 to 4 cups of fresh water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. This slow simmer allows the beneficial compounds to infuse beautifully into the water. Your astragalus tea is now ready. Carefully strain the tea into your mug, making sure to remove all the root pieces. Take a moment to appreciate the warm, earthy aroma. You can enjoy this tea warm, or let it cool and drink it chilled. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your nourishing brew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.